It's the fourth quarter. We're down by 1. No seconds left. And you gotta eat your breakfast. So what you gotta get is that RJ Barrett Crunch Time. That's right, boys and girls, it's Crunch Time. Get your wonderful breakfast on right before school. You're not gonna be late because the food is gonna just devour itself and just evaporate right in your mouth and give you all the nutrition you need because it's crunch time. That's right. RJ Barrett, Crunch Time, straight from Kellogg's and them. The folks that gave you them Rice Krispies and things. You feel me? Crunch Time, baby. Go get you a bowl, go get you 2. Go win for your team, win for your school. Crunch Time.